In Philadelphia, 1790, United States took a crucial step toward fostering innovation and protecting intellectual property. The Constitutional Convention of 1787 recognized the importance of encouraging invention. Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution granted Congress the power to promote the progress of science and useful arts by securing for limited times to authors and inventors the exclusive right to their respective writings and discoveries. This provision laid the groundwork for one of the world's most influential patent systems. On April 10, 1790, President George Washington signed the first U.S. Patent Act into law. This legislation established a patent system administered by Secretary of State Thomas Jefferson, Secretary of War Henry Knox, and Attorney General Edmund Randolph. The act required patents be granted only for inventions that were sufficiently useful and important. The law offered 14 years of protection and required detailed descriptions to be made public after expiration. Samuel Hopkins developed an improved method for producing potash, potassium carbonate, from wood ash. Potash was crucial to early American industry and daily life, essential for soap making, glass production, and gunpowder manufacturing. Most importantly, potash was the key ingredient in pearl ash, which when combined with acid, produced carbon dioxide gas that made bread and cakes rise. Before reliable commercial baking powder, potash-based leavening agents were the primary way to create light, fluffy baked goods. Hopkins's innovation promised to make this essential compound more readily available and affordable. On July 31, 1790, Samuel Hopkins received U.S. Patent Number 1. The patent, signed by President Washington, granted Hopkins exclusive rights to his making potash and pearl ash by a new apparatus and process. Hopkins' patent revolutionized baking technology. His more efficient production methods made potash more widely available, making baking powder more accessible to households. This contributed to transformation in American kitchens, where bakers could achieve consistent results and experiment with new recipes. Patent Number 1 established the precedent for America's patent numbering system, which continues today. Every patent issued since can trace its lineage back to Hopkins' potash process. Thomas Jefferson later called the patent system the best encouragement of ingenuity. The system established in 1790 would protect innovations that built modern America, from potash to the computer chip. Patent Number 1 marked the beginning of America's journey toward becoming the world's leading innovator. The parchment bearing Hopkins' patent now resides in the National Archives. America's patent system had officially begun on July 31, 1790.